Hello champs, welcome to all of you on my Pyara Sa channel Coding from Mumbai. In this video, I am talking about a new topic of JavaScript playlist, that is switch case statement. Now, what is the meaning of switch case and how to write switch statement, means what is the syntax of writing switch statement and why switch statement is much better option as compared to use the if else ladder. So all types of information about switch statement is covered in this particular video. So without any further late, let's start the video. Hello. So now start the video. I'm simple open our Replit website, and that I'm creating a project, switch case project. In index.js file, I just want to write all the code. Whatever I'm code writing, I'm giving the link into description so you are able to get. Now question is, what is the meaning of switch case? So before talking about switch case statement, I want to talk about the if and else condition. Why if and else condition? Because the working of a switch case statement as well as the if and else condition are completely same, but syntax wise both are different. Understand? Means by whatever code I am able to write by using a switch, by using if and else condition, same code, same condition with the same condition I am able to write by using switch case. So question is, if both the statement, means if and else and statement as well as the switch statement are working same, so why we are using switch statement in the place of if and else condition? If I already know the information about if and else condition, so why I am going to study about switch statement? Okay, so let me understand for taking example. So I'm simple creating example here in this file. So by using this example, you are able to understand why we have to use, in some condition we have to use switch statement, and in some condition we have to use if and else condition, because both are the very important statement and we have to use according to the situation. Okay, so now understand, I'm just writing a program here. Okay, this is a very long program, it's look like, but this is not, and we see very simple program. You are able to see I'm simply creating a variable, that is a let month variable. In by default I'm writing a value 5. Then I'm writing if condition, if month is equal to 1, then just print the name of a month, January. If month is equal to 2, then print the name of a month, February, and same for all the month of a particular year. Okay, till 12. Understand? So I'm just removing this particular. If all the case are not execute, then simply execute this particular, not else if. I just want to some make changes, else otherwise you have, I just want to print console.log invalid input, like this. I want to print the message. Okay, so this is a program where I am just using the multiple if and else condition. By using this condition, I am able to print the name of a month according to the input, whatever input I am providing into the month variable. Now I just want to run the code and see the output. What is the output of a particular program? So now let's run the code and see the output. It gives the month 5, which is completely right. It first month variable are matched with the first case, which is month is equal to 1. Answer is this not true, then comes into second condition, is this not, this is a false, this false, and fourth condition also false. Then it comes into fifth condition and matches, month is equal to 5, answer is yes. Then automatically print the particular statement and then coming from the, and then in the code, in the program. Okay, so if I'm just writing here 8, so it print the output like 8th name of a month, that is 8 August. Okay, now I'm talking about if I'm just writing the code like I'm giving the name input 18. Let's see what is the output. Invalid input means when all the conditions are fails, then at the time this particular last case, that is else condition, which is executed. So this is a simple example of if and else ladder. I'm talking about in previous video. If you're not watching the video of if and else condition, so please go and watch the video of if and else condition. Okay, so in this example I'm simple writing the if and else condition, multiple if and else condition for just printing the name of a month. Now how we are able to, this you are able to see, I am just writing a program, start from line number 4, and this program are end into line number 44. Means if you are, I am just calculating, so this particular simple program take the 40 line in our program, which is huge number of lines. My requirement is I am just writing whatever code I require, whatever problem I have, I am writing the code or solving the problem in less number of code, So by using, if I am just solving this particular problem, so I have required the 40 line by using if and else condition. And now in this case switch statement comes. Now if I want to run, if I want to create such same program by using switch statement, so I am able to write the same program in less number of line. Understand? So this is the reason why we have to use switch statement as well as the if and else conditions according to the situation. Now if in any project, if you have this is a very important terms, means if you want to reduce the number of line in your code, so you have to use switch statement in the place of a if and else ladder. Okay, so now I just want to comment on all these things. Okay, I'm just writing here example or a requirement of switch statement. Okay, and then I'm just writing the comment, separate line separator, so you are able to separate without any problem. Now what is the syntax of a particular switch statement? How to write switch statement? What is the syntax? So I'm simply creating a switch.draw file in which I'm writing the syntax of a switch statement. Now you are able to see what I'm writing here. In this example, I'm simply creating a variable, the name of variable is expression. In that, whatever value I want to write, I'm just writing. In the previous example, here the name of expression variable is month. In this example, you are able to replace expression by any variable. That variable are just changing their value for comparing the conditions. Okay, any value you want to put into here. Then you have to write switch keyword. Then in bracket you have to write the expression, whatever expression you want to put. According that particular expression are matching the condition in each and every case. Then you have to write curly bracket. Then I am just writing case keyword. Then condition 1 means whenever I am just running the code. So JavaScript language just compare the value of expression with the condition 1. If this particular expression variable is match the condition 1, if match, then code of the condition 1 execute. Otherwise just jump to the case 2. And in this, then it match the condition of case 2. If match is equal to true, then execute the code, whatever code I'm writing into the case 2. Otherwise match the condition with the case 3. Same for case 4, case 5, and last one default. What is default? If all the conditions are not match whatever expression value with the expression value, when all the above condition is failed, then this block execute. This is known as a default block. Default block is default keyword or default block is not necessary. But if you want to put any value whenever all the conditions are not true, then just print or just execute the default case. So this is a simple syntax of a writing switch statement. Now it may be a little bit confusion for you if you are learning the first time, but I'm damn sure whenever I'm just writing the code, so you are able to understand very well. Okay, so I'm just coming into index.js file and writing the example. Same problem using switch statement. Which problem? The printing the name of a month in the year. Okay, so now let's see how we are able to do that. So I'm simply creating variable let month is equal to whatever one I just writing here. Then I have to write switch keyword switch. Okay, and then I have to write the variable name, whatever very expression name, that name is going to match each and every condition, each and every case. Here I'm just writing case and I'm writing 1. If the value of a particular expression in this example month is equal to 1, then I want to print the message console.log. I'm just writing January. Otherwise same for case 2. Then I'm just copy paste this line. I'm just writing here February. Same for each and every case. Okay, so now I am done with all these cases. So you are able to see I'm just writing for each and every case I'm just writing all the code. So you are able to see I'm just writing month equal to 5, then switch statement and name of expression, whatever expression I want to print. I want to compare with all the case condition. So case, then condition 1. If month value of a month variable is equal to 1, then print the message. If 2, then print the message. If 3, then print the message. If 4, then print the message. Okay, so I just want to run the code and see the output. What is the output of a particular program? So I'm just writing the month is equal to 5. Now let's clear the console and run the code. See the output. I'm just writing month is equal to 5. So condition 5 case, this all above 4 case are not match. So it matched with the case 5. Okay, then it print the value, whatever value I'm writing case 5. But after this, all the cases become true and all the code are execute. You are able to see after me all the code. Okay, I'm just making a mistake. I have to make changes here. Now again I want to run the code and let's see the understand output. You are able to see after case 1 is not match, case 2 is not match with the input, and case 3 is also not match, case 4 not match, but case 5 are not match because condition the value of a month variable is equal to 5, this particular condition. This is the why this May is printed. But you are able to see the output after May all the month name of month are printed, means after this particular match condition case 5 all the code, whatever code I am writing into the after this case 5 also execute after this. So how we are able to solve this particular problem? So my requirement is when case 1 or any condition has become true, then only that particular condition I want to print. Otherwise I am just printing the default case. Understand? Means at a time only one condition I have to print. So for that I have to use break statement. What is the meaning of break statement? Break statement is nothing but a keyword that are provided by the JavaScript. By using break statement, if I'm able to I'm able to coming out of the any loop or any statement. So if I'm just writing here break, so when case 1 is true or a month of means value of a month variable become 1, means which is the case 1 condition true, then this could execute. After execution this line of code, then I want to break statement, means now break. Now you did not want to go for all the cases, means when by using break statement we are able to come outside the switch statement or outside the loop. Okay, so now more information about break statement I'm talking about the next video, upcoming video, that is loop in JavaScript. Okay, so in simple terms you are able to understand break statement is a keyword that is used for breaking or coming outside the loop or any other statement. Okay, so I'm just using break statement in each and every condition. Why? Because whenever this particular condition match, then only print the input, only execute the code, whatever code are contained by the particular case. Okay, so these only lines are I just want to print, and all the line after that condition I did not want to print. So I'm just writing break statement for all the cases. Okay, so after case 6 also I'm just writing break, and I'm just copy paste particular line and then doing the copy pasting. This is I love to copy paste. Okay, so now same for all the months. Hello. So now you are able to see this output. I think there is any problem. If I want to run the code and let's see the output. Okay, now it's working, means I'm just when I'm writing month equal to 5, it only comes into the case 5, means case 5 condition only is true, then execute the line, this particular line. After that break, I'm just writing break keyword. So break keyword says now bro you have to come outside the particular switch statement. So by using switch break statement, when I'm writing break statements, all the code after this case is not going to be execute. If I'm just printing I'm just writing here input 15, let's see the output. output is invalid input, means this particular last case, that is default case, are execute when all the conditions are not true, then last condition become true, that is invalid input. Console.log r comes into the console or console. This is a simple example of a what switch case statement. So question is, sir, this switch statement also takes a huge amount of line, so how we are able to say switch statement is better for reducing the line of code? Now understand, it may be does not reduce line of code, but if you are able to see how this particular in understanding purpose, if any person comes, they are able to understand all the condition very well without any condition, because it is very clear and clean and cluster code. This is particular variable and then match the particular each and every case. If case match, then run the code, otherwise run the default case. So in user interface, means for understanding purpose, switch statement is very better, far better as compared to the what if and else condition if I have a multiple conditions. Okay, so now let's take another example for understanding the concept of a switch statement. Okay, so I'm just writing a second example so you are able to understand how we are able to write. Now for that I'm just writing here another example. Let day is equal to 2, and then I'm just writing switch. I'm just writing our expression, then case 1, then I'm just writing console.log Monday. Then I want to break it, and same for all the 7 days. So just copy pasting it. Now I want to take some like this. Okay, case 1, case 2, day of a month is Tuesday. Then same for case 3. And for 4, then for 5 also same. Case 5, case 6, then last one is case 7. Now here I'm done with all the code. So now you're able to see I'm just simple writing example of a printing the name of a day according to the input. Means if day is equal to 2, then just print the Tuesday. If day is equal to 3, then print the Wednesday, all is everything. So I'm just writing here 5, and now let's see the output. It simply give the output Friday. This is my assumption, which is completely right. Okay, now if I'm writing any invalid number or a greater than 7 number, so output is invalid input. Okay, so this is a simple example of a switch case statement. Now I'm talking about a special conditions. For example, let's understand, if I want to write third example. Now understand, if I want to write more than one condition true, means if I want to write more than one statement or more than one condition true, then just print one statement, otherwise another statement. What I want to say, let's understand. So I'm just writing let day is equal to any days. Then I'm just writing switch day case 1, and I'm just writing not like that, I'm just writing here Monday. I'm just writing here statement if it is equal to Monday, or case Tuesday, or case ed Wednesday, Thursday, then case Friday. If these are the cases are done, then I'm just want to print console.log weekdays. Okay. Otherwise, for case Saturday and same for Sunday. Okay, if these conditions are print, so I'm just want to print console.log weekend. Default invalid. Okay, so you are able to, I'm simply creating a program of I'm just writing a switch statement, which I'm just putting the variable name day. If variable value day is equal to month, Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday, so in all these cases, if any case are true, then just print the particular message. After that, I just want to write a break statement, which is very important for us. Okay, without any confusion. Now, if I'm just want to run the code and let's see the output. Output is weekdays, because I'm just writing the day is equal to Monday. If I'm writing here Sunday, it print the message weekend. So this is another use case of a switch statement. Means this is another way of writing switch statement when I want to print a same code or I just want to execute same line of code after matching the multiple conditions. Understand? If I want to run the same code after matching the multiple conditions, these are the multiple conditions. If day is equal to Monday, same output. If day is equal to Wednesday, so same output. If day is equal to Friday, same output. If day is equal to Saturday, same output. This is how we are able to create a switch statement when multiple condition I want to print the same message or same code I want to execute. So this all information about the switch case statement till now. I think you are able to understand how switch statement works and what is the use of this particular break statement. And second thing is, in which again I want to tell you one thing. There is not any differences between if and else condition and switch statement, but the way of writing the code is different. If you are able to see this particular program, so this program is maybe a little bit confusion for many people, but when people are seeing this particular program, switch statement program, so this program is very crystal clear in terms of understanding, because case 1 true, then execute this code, case 2 true, then execute this code. So this is the reason why many people are recommend to use the switch statement in the place of the if and else statement. Okay, if I want to print same output for different multiple cases, so I'm also able to do by using a switch case statement. Understand? So I think your all information about switch statement are clear till now. If you have any doubt in terms of the today lecture, so please comment. I'm damn sure I'm very excited to respond of your problem. Okay, so let's end the video and bye bye.